Overview: while many competitors offer a folding hardtop, the 2026 BMW Z4 sticks proudly to the pure joy of open-air driving. There's no coupe option. Here's just a classic soft-top roadster, but you can choose between two punchy engines, a turbocharged 4-cylinder, or a turbocharged inline-six. Most models pair with a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic, though the 6-cylinder can also be teamed with a 6-speed manual for drivers who prefer old-school engagement. Inside, the Z4 feels genuinely premium. It's comfortable for 2 adults, and the trunk is surprisingly practical enough for up to 3 carry-on bags. With sharp but forgiving handling, Z4 is easier to live with every day than hardcore alternatives like the Porsche 718 Boxster or Lotus Emira. What's new for 2026? For 2026, the Z4 cruises in, essentially unchanged from last year's model. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2026 BMW Z4 ranges from $57,275 to $71,825, depending on trim and options at its starting price. The Z4 S-Drive 30i is an excellent value. It undercuts the Porsche 718 Boxster significantly while still offering more than enough performance for most drivers. We'd recommend adding the dynamic handling package, which includes larger M Sport brakes and an M Sport differential for better traction. Sure, the S-Drive 30i won't match the explosive acceleration of the M4OI, but it delivers plenty of excitement for the money. Compare the 2026 BMW Z4 to other cars use our updated comparison tool to stack the Z4 against up to 5 other vehicles and see how it measures up in features, performance, and value. Engine, transmission, and performance. The S-Drive 30i uses BMW's excellent 255 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder torque, energetic and more powerful than the numbers suggest. For drivers craving more muscle, the M4OI packs a 382 HP turbocharged inline-six that's buttery smooth, deeply refined, and thrilling when pushed hard. Every Z4 includes an 8-speed automatic with sport and manual modes, plus steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. It's one of the best automatics available, quick, responsive, and consistently smooth. For purists, the 6-cylinder can be ordered with the hand shelter. Package BMW's 6-speed manual setup, along with stiffer anti-roll bars, retuned adaptive suspension, and upgraded wheels and tires. On twisty roads, the Z4 is agile and eager, though not quite as laser-focused as the Porsche 718 or as edgy as the Toyota Supra. 0 to 60 mph, times drive 3.0. 5.1 seconds M40. automatic. 3.5 seconds M4OI manual. 3.9 seconds. The base engine is quick, but the M4OI brings truly sports car level acceleration. Fuel economy: EPA estimates: S-Drive 30i 25 mpg, city 33 mpg, highway M40. automatic 23 mpg city, 29 mpg highway M40. manual 19 mpg city, 26 mpg highway. On our real-world 75 mph test, the M40i automatic impressed with 37 mpg. Interior comfort and cargo: the Z4's cabin is one of the best in its class, beautifully built, luxurious, and intelligently laid out. The seats are supportive with strong bolsters that hold you in place during spirited driving, and even taller drivers will find plenty of space. The insulated soft top keeps the interior remarkably quiet, almost coupe-like when closed, and drops in seconds at the push of a button. A standard wind blocker minimizes turbulence with the roof down and works impressively well at highway speeds. Storage is generous for a roadster, with multiple small bins, queue folders, a center console compartment, a cubby by the steering wheel, and a shelf behind the seats. The trunk offers 10 cubic feet, enough for 3 carry-on bags, making weekend getaways surprisingly easy.